This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Price to sell as is. Unique opportunity to purchase 2 lots being sold together with existing house on 3.65 acres and a double-wide trailer on the adjoining 1-acre lot. Possibilities are endless. Rehab, or tear down house and sell/move double-wide trailer, then build 3 new home sites, per owner. Ask City of Suffolk for a variance for commercial use. Or, use a potential income-producing property. Located in the heart of Suffolk on Pruden Boulevard, Route 460. Petersburg Exit, right turn to 4440 Pruden Boulevard. Convenient to Interstate, schools, shopping 10 minutes away. Survey is available, partially cleared and wooded. Won't last at his price. For reference tax ID numbers, 252,472,500 and 250,677,000 for more information.